If everyone remembers, last year I asked for Fix-It Stick people if they'd send out a kit for review. This is the kit. I've been very pleased with it. I asked them for a couple of accessories to go with it to complement it. The ratcheting T-handle and the torque driver. Now we're going to look close. This is the Ratcheting T-Way Wrench. And I like it because you have a ratchet on it where you can change your directions. And not only can you turn it here, you've got a little knob up here to turn it to. And this is the mini torque driver. This one goes from 0 to 25. It goes up to 6, 10, 15, 20, and 25 inch-pounds. I had the torque limiters that came with it, but I wanted this too. A couple of things, and I'll show you why. One, on the Glock, on your front sight tool, you need 6. The limiters I had would not go that far. So what you do is you line up the 6 inch-pound mark line. Works very well for that. Now we're going to see about tightening up the screws on this Beretta grips. Then if you want to set it on a certain amount of torque, a little Leverman nut always comes in handy. If you want a certain amount of torque, say 6 inch-pounds on this, just put it in here. And you get it where it lines up to the 6. And remember, you cannot go backwards with these, and these are not designed to loosen up your parts. These make a great accessory to your kit, and if I didn't mention it, you can upgrade and get the Ratcheting T-Way Wrench with the Works kit if you just ask. Now we're going to have my final thoughts on this. Now you can see why the mini torque driver comes in handy and the Ratcheting T-Way Wrench. Limiters, they also have smaller and larger too. Everybody needs one of these in a range bag. Keep on their table if they're working on a lot of firearms. But between this and a pair of Levermans, there's not much anything I can't do at the range. Check out their website, like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and share the video, and the Bearded Sharpener Facebook page too. There's always some extra pictures on there. See you next time.